Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to Anu Academy. Very good morning friends. In our channel, in today's class, we are going to discuss AE examination conducted by APPSC. So today's AE examination subject is soil mechanics and foundation engineering. Okay, so we'll start today's class now. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Please like and share our channel. Okay, so we'll start now. Okay, so here now material is ready. We'll start discussing. The line of optimums generally corresponds to percentage air voids of about 0%, 5%, 10%, 20%. So the answer is 5%. The range of optimum water contents for the standard Proctor test for clay soils is 6 to 10%, 8 to 12%, 12 to 15%, 14 to 20%. So the answer is 14 to 20%. Next, soil compacted dry of the optimum as compared to that wet of the optimum has less permeability, swells less, shrinks less, has less resistance to compression. So the answer is shrinks less. Okay, now we will continue. Okay. For a standard compaction test, the mass of hammer and the drop of hammer are as follows: 2.6 kg and 450 mm, 2.60 kg and 310 mm, 4.8 kg and 310 mm, 4.89 kg and 450 mm. So the answer is 2.60 kg and 310 mm. So next, select the correct statement. Relative compaction is the same as relative density. Vibratory rollers are effective in the case of highly cohesive soils. Zero air void line and 100% saturation line are identical. So the correct answer is zero air void line and 100% saturation line are identical. Okay. So next, the inclination of the failure plane behind a vertical wall in the passive pressure case is inclined to the horizontal at 45 degrees minus 5 by 2, 45 degrees minus 5, 45 degrees minus 5 by 2, 45 degrees plus 5 by 2, 45 degrees plus 5. Okay. So the correct answer is 45 degrees minus 5 by 2. Okay. Next we will move to the next one. The yield of a retaining wall required to reach plastic equilibrium in active case is more than that in the passive case, less than that in the passive case, equal to that in the passive case, none of the above. So the correct answer is less than that in the passive case. We will continue now. The active earth pressure coefficient Ka generally refers to effective stresses, total stresses, neutral stresses, all of the above. So the correct answer is effective stresses. The active pressure caused by a cohesionless backfill on a smooth vertical retaining wall may be reduced to compacting the backfill, providing a surcharge load on the backfill, saturating the backfill with water, none of the above. So the correct answer is compacting the backfill. Okay. Next, the total active pressure after the development of tension cracks is equal to 1 by 2 gamma h square Ka minus 2c h into root Ka, 1 by 2 gamma h square Ka plus 2c h into root Ka, 1 by 2 gamma h square Ka minus 2c h into root Ka minus 2 into c square by gamma, 1 by 2 gamma h square Ka minus 2c h into root Ka plus 2 into c square by gamma. So the correct answer is 1 by 2 gamma h square Ka minus 2c h into root Ka plus 2 into c square by gamma. So this is the correct answer. The radius of the friction circle is equal to r sin phi, r cos phi, r tan phi, r into phi. So the right answer is r sin phi. Next, if a uniform surcharge of 120 kilonewton per meter square is placed on the backfill with phi is equal to 30 degrees, the increase in pressure is 12 kilonewton per meter square, 30 kilonewton per meter square, 40 kilonewton per meter square, 120 kilonewton per meter square. So the correct answer is 40 kilonewton per meter square. Next, a shallow foundation is usually defined as a foundation which has depth less than 0.6 meters, depth less than its width, depth less than 1.0 meter, none of the above. So the correct answer is depth less than its width. The ultimate bearing capacity of a shallow foundation on sand is reduced to about, when the water table rises to the ground surface, 75%, 50%, 25%, none of the above. So the correct answer is 50%. The allowable soil pressure for foundations in cohesive soils is generally controlled by settlements bearing capacity, both A and B, neither A nor B. So the correct answer is bearing capacity. The immediate settlement of a rigid footing is about times the maximum settlement of an equal flexible footing is 0.8. Correct answer is 0.8. Options are 0.9, 0.7, 0.6. So the right answer is 0.8. The bearing capacity of soil supporting a footing of size 3 meters by 3 meter will not be affected by the pressure of water table located at a depth below the base of footing of 1.0, 1.50 meters, 3.0 meters, 6 meters. So the right answer is 3 meters. Okay. We will discuss now. Right. A 2 meter wide strip footing rests at a depth of 2 meter below the ground surface where water table is at the ground surface. The ultimate load which the strip can carry according to Terjagi's theory, when gamma sat is equal to 20 kilonewton per meter cube and C is equal to 30 kilonewton per meter square, is about 171 kilonewton per meter, 342 kilonewton per meter, 422 kilonewton per meter, 262 kilonewton per meter. So the correct answer is 342 kilonewton per meter. Okay. The permissible settlement is the maximum in the case of isolated footing on clay, raft on clay, isolated footing on sand, raft on sand. So the correct answer is raft on clay. If the gross bearing capacity of a strip footing 1.5 meter wide located at a depth of 1 meter in clay is 400 kilonewton per meter square, its net bearing capacity for gamma is equal to 20 kilonewton per meter square is 370 kilonewton per meter square, 380 kilonewton per meter square, 390 kilonewton per meter square, 360 kilonewton per meter square. So the correct answer is 380 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, so that's all friends for today's class. I think all of you understood today's class. Okay, so today's class definitely it will be helpful for your AE exam preparation, especially for paper 3, common for environmental engineering and civil engineering. Okay, so if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, please like and share our channel. If you need any additional information regarding your examination, please post in the comments box. I will give you a reply. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for watching.